Good morning, everyone. It's Teresa with Critters Crochet, and it is a Tuesday morning. And I have to apologize. I'm sorry there will be no tutorial today. I just was not able to get it recorded in time and uploaded, so I apologize for that. But I will have just a lot of things went on this week, and that was out of my control. So I will have a tutorial next Tuesday. So instead of a tutorial, I had two items that came in the mail. First of all was my O-Fire order. I ordered a 4.5 millimeter in each of the new limited edition. Um, ooh, that's a tight one. The limited edition hooks, the pink moonstone and the cobalt. So I wanted to show these to you guys. They are absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so here's the pink moonstone. Look at that swirl in there. Is that not beautiful? And this is the I believe it's 4.5 is what, yeah, 4.5 on this one. That is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Now on the pink moonstone, there's only 4, 7, and 9 millimeter left. 4, 7, and 9. That's the only sizes left. So if you wanted to get one of these, those are the only three that you'll be able to get. 4, 7, and 9 millimeter. Okay. Then we have the cobalt, and y'all, the cobalt is gorgeous. It's just as beautiful. Look at this. Look at the sparkle. Is that not beautiful? I got this in a 4.5 also. Is that not just beautiful? And let's see, there's 7, 8, 9, and 10 millimeter left in this one. I just checked before I recorded this video this morning. So 7, 8, 9, and 10 is available. And then they had the multicolored sets. The only set that is sold out is the sunset, but all the other sets are still showing available. So if you want to get your hands on these hooks, I suggest you get over there and get them because they're selling out quick. So that's those two. I think they're beautiful. I cannot wait to add them into my collection. And then what I also got in the mail, I had some Christmas money that my aunt gave me. So I put in a big order at Hirschner's. And when I put the order in at the time, which was about a week ago, they were running a deal where if you spent $35 or more, you only had to pay $4.95 in shipping. So I took advantage of that, and it came in, and I haven't even opened the box yet. This is the box. And we are going to open it right now, and I'm going to show you what I bought. I tried to get yarns that I can't run over to my local Walmart and buy, or some, yarns that I haven't tried before. And what I want to do with these is I want to do some yarn reviews and share with you guys what I think about these yarns. Boy, they've really got this thing sealed up. There we go. And I'm just so excited because there's one of the yarn packs that I've been dying to get my hands on. And yeah, so let's see. I'm looking on the packing slip so I can remember the names of these. Let's see. I'm trying to figure out. Okay. Worsted Jumbo Yarn. I got two of these. The Worsted Jumbo. These are a 4-weight yarn, 100% acrylic. There is 743 yards in this. Worsted Jumbo. I'm trying to find it on here. This is, well, this is the color Aran. Okay, it's the worsted 12, and it's the worsted 12. They're calling it, they're showing it as worsted jumbo, but it's the worsted 12 if you look on the website or in the catalog. That's what was throwing me off. Um, and these were marked down. These were $7 a piece, $7.47 each. So I got a couple of these. Like I said, there is 743 yards in this thing. So I could take, and then I got it in the Aran and I got it in the electric. So I could do those two together and make a beautiful Afghan of some kind or something out of this. So there you go. I got those two. And as I go through these, think about think about them, and in the description box below, tell me what I should make with them. What would you make with these? Okay. Then I got some of the antiquity. I have been wanting this yarn for so long. It came in a bag of 5 for $20, $19.95 for a bag of 5. So I got, where is it? Hold on a minute. Okay, I got it in this. There's 3 and then 5. Okay, and this is again a worsted weight yarn. There is 489 yards. So what is that? Times 489 times 5 is 2,445 yards for 20 bucks. I mean, really? And this is in the colorway called Chromatic. And I just thought those colors were beautiful. It's yellows and oranges and greens and purples. It's just fall. It just screams fall. So I got those. And they are so squishy soft, guys. Then I got, let's see here. I got some of the Premier Dottie yarn. And let me look on my list here. Well, I'm not finding it. Oh, here it is. Right in front of my face. This was, I got 3 of them. They were $7.99 a piece. And this is in the color Lagoon. I'm not taking it out of the plastic because I don't want to do that just yet. But this is Lagoon. It's white with speckles of purple and blue and green and like a lime green. And it's called Lagoon. So there's that. This is what I got these because Cinnamon Stitches, I think this is the one she used when she did her tutorial on the chickens that she crochets. This is the yarn she used for her chickens. And I thought this would make a cute little bunny rabbit for Easter. I don't know. You tell me if you, oops, sorry, I bumped the camera. You tell me if you think, I think those would make cute little bunnies. Then I got, let's see. Yeah, they had, a bag of 2 of the Karen cotton angel cakes. There was a bag of 2. So I got 1 pack of 2 in the color Sweet Blue. Yeah, Sweet Blue. There's well, it's coming across as a, let me pop this open a little bit. It's almost like a bluish gray, a gray blue, but it's coming out really blue on camera, but it's more of a gray blue in here. And these are, let's see here. There is 530 yards in each one. So that's 1,060 yards in this. And I got this again in the sweet blue. I'm running out of spots to put the yarn. Sweet blue and elderberry lilac. And it's hard to see this. That is not coming across camera like it is here. But let me get the plastic off of it. It is, it's like a, well, what do you want? It's almost like a light blue and mauve. I don't know. I don't think it's coming across the camera like that. But anyway, cotton angel cake. So that's cotton yarn. So think about what I could make with the cotton yarn. And then last but not least, they had let me get the Afghan yarn multi-pack for $14.99. And let's see, it was called Fruit Blossom was the name of the pack. Yeah. Fruit Blossom was the name of the pack. And here's the pack right here. Is that not gorgeous? This striped yarn right here is called Fruit Blossom. Okay, that's the color of the stripe. Then you have this green, which is called Light Teal. Light Teal. Shannon from Spoonie Stitcher, you love teal. This one is called Rosewater. And then the one here on the bottom is called Royal. So it's a royal blue, rosewater, teal, and then Fruit Blossom for the stripes. That is pretty. I think that would make a really cute baby blanket. But each skein is 244 yards. It's 100% acrylic. So 2, 4, 6, 8. 244. I gotta figure it out. 244 times 8. That's 1,952 yards. So almost 2,000 yards. That would make a cute little baby blanket. Or whatever you think it would make. So that is what I got, y'all. I'm so excited for getting all this yarn. Again, I used my Christmas money. So what do you think? With the multi-pack, the cotton cakes, the Dottie, should I make bunny rabbits, or do you see something else in this? Let me know on that one. The 5-pack of the Antiquity with the autumn colors. I am in love with this color. I think that's gorgeous. The picture, it's even prettier in person than what the picture showed. Gorgeous. And then the 2 worsted 12 jumbo packs. I definitely want to do something with both of these together. I'm just not sure. And remember, I said it says worsted jumbo here, but in the catalog and online it says worsted 12 is what they're calling it online. So that's my haul, guys. And what I want to do with that is I want to take each set, like the worsted 12, the Dottie, each group, and I want to do, not sure how I'm going to do it yet, but I want to do some reviews on them and work them up because I've never used those yarns before, any of those. I've not used any of them before. So they're all new to me. So I'm going to try them out, and I want to do some videos where I'm showing how they work up, what the pattern looks like depending on the stitch, that kind of thing, if it's the variegated yarn. And yeah, I'm going to work on, I really want to take that dotty yarn and I want to come up with my own pattern for a little bunny for Easter. Um, so I may have a tutorial on that coming up soon. But that's what I have for today. I am getting ready to, I'm going to finish my cup of coffee in my awesome cup that I got from Llama Mama Kayla and Big Daddy. So I'm going to finish up my coffee. I have a chiropractic appointment. My mom and I both do, so I'm going to pick her up this morning and we're both going to go together. And then she has been dying to put together this puzzle that she got at Christmas. I mean, it's driving her crazy that she hasn't been able to work on it yet. She called me last night and she said, "You think you could come over and help me with the puzzle?" Or no, she called me yesterday morning and I told her I already had some things that I had to do, but I would come over on Tuesday. So we're going to go to our chiropractor and get our chiropractic appointment taken care of. And then I'm going back to her house and I'm going to spend the day with mom and we're going to work on a puzzle. So I'll take pictures of that and show you what puzzle we're working on too. So anyway, oh, and as a reminder, real quick, guys, let's see, this is Tuesday. Tomorrow we will be Wearable Wednesday. So I'll be showing you what I'm planning on working on for that. And then Thursday is Things We're Making Thursday. That will be February 1st, guys. So it's time for blankets. So send me your blanket pictures before Thursday. I know it's the first Thursday, but guys, if you have blankets that you've already stitched up and are finished, send me pictures. Send me a picture of the most of your favorite Afghan blanket that you've made. Okay, because I want to share your work on my channel. You guys, I know you guys do beautiful work and I want to see it. Okay, so before Thursday morning, send me a picture. My email is in the description box. Email me a picture of your finished blanket. Let me know what name you want me to put with your picture. And if you don't want me to put a name at all, then just tell me that. Please don't include my name, and I will not. I'll just show your picture. But if you want me to share your name, if you have a channel and you want me to share your channel, let me know that. And get them to me before Thursday morning, and I will get those. I will attach those pictures to my Thursday video and share out your awesome work with everybody else. So I hope you guys have a great day. If you've watched this video all the way to the end, I'd like for you to comment with the word blanket. That way I know you've watched this all the way to the end. And I hope you all have a terrific Tuesday. I love each and every one of you. If you have made it all the way to the end, thank you for watching. It really helps my channel if you hit that thumbs up and if you hit that subscription box and that notification bell set to all so you don't miss any of the videos on Critters Crochet. I'm so excited to have been able to spend a few minutes with you this morning and come back and see me again. I love talking and visiting with all of you, and I hope you have a wonderful day. I will see you tomorrow for Wearable Wednesday. Love you all. Bye-bye.